Welcome back to Enchanting Endeavors, and this is part 2 of our Christmas decorations. And we are getting started with our snow white gorgeous Christmas tree. So, we went out to the basement to get the tree out in parts from that huge box. The base section is the heaviest one and also the most bushy. This tree actually folds and opens like an umbrella, which makes setting it up so much easier. There's a solid iron rod running right through the middle, very sturdy and strong. Time to carry it up to the living room. Needed exactly 3 trips. Phew. We also have that little 3-foot green tree standing right over there. You see that? At first I thought we'd put up that one, but then I thought otherwise. We had this tree stand, so we started walking on it, loosening the threading bolts just to make some space in the center. I tied the base section of the tree with a rope to make putting it in the stand a little less messy. Holding the top of the central rod, I place it into the stand. Then I turn and tighten the threading bolts, first with our hands, then using a wrench. Once that's done, we drag it into the living room, right where we've decided it to set up. Then I open the rope, letting the beautiful white branches spread out. It's a pre-lit tree with its own lights, so every section of the tree has its own electric connection, which has to be interconnected. As heavy as it is, I bring the middle section of the tree and place it onto the rod groove. Each branch has its own hinge, so I spread them out one by one. Finally, I arrange the topmost part of the tree. As I interconnect the electrical units, each section lights up, giving the tree an elegant and most majestic look. And this is where the decoration starts. Time for the ornaments. So I head back to the basement, gathering boxes one by one, baubles, keepsakes, and all the little details. I also bring up the tree skirt. After quite a few trips to the basement, everything finally makes its way upstairs. Boxes open up, and suddenly the room fills with ornaments, bells, glossy balls, soft wool woven pieces, stars, angels, crystal chains, little drums, each one waiting for its turn. So here we start decorating this beautiful tree. The Christmas tree tradition dates back to 16th century Germany, where families brought evergreens into their homes to celebrate life in winter. Decorating the tree with lights, ornaments, and stars symbolized hope, joy, and spirit of giving. Today is a cherished tradition all over the world, spreading warmth and festive cheer. I illuminate our fully adorned white tree, and it radiates a truly majestic glow. Enchanting Endeavors wishes everyone a very Merry Christmas and a joyful holiday season. We hope your days are filled with love, laughter, and beautiful moments with family and friends. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more festive fun. Thanks for joining us and see you again next time.